U MLA rangba na Seng Bjjp uba hek ula Kyntu yaki Dkhot NDA ban Kynrandien na ka Jingkynshoit yaki Nongbud jong ka Seng Bjjp. Habakren halor ka jingi perjing mud kabadang shen hakaba u MLA ka NPP usanje sangma ula pinmi ya ka Jingkynshoit ka Kynrandien haka jingelap election hakaba haka jingkren jong u ka penpau yaki eki ba persya ka Seng Bjjp. Uba hek ula ong ba ka state unit ka Bjjp pat kumjo how West Garo Hills kilay keren ba unong yalam ka NPP u konrad sangma halor ka ni kabenta.
With the NDA, not only BJP alone, with the NDA, they should be isbar chasopar. A man to remove of the state president. He has done his responsibility, the duty given by the national leaders. There's no questions to demand. If you have done wrong anything against the party, then only we can raise these questions. No, this is a national, in a national meeting, national convention, they have taken this decision. The Garo Hills sections, the state president and the state union also have taken up this. So this is already given the letter. So that is the already written the letter. Let's see the response. No?